morning. So I'm heading to a location today in Wigan, and I'm going to be meeting the Carter family, which is Northwest Magnets. It's a bit chilly. Still don't like walking through the woods alone though, not gonna lie. First trick of the day. I'm aware it's still very dark, so I might have my camera off for a little bit. I'll see what's on this first cast though. Ugh. Good lord. Ugh. A big iron bar. Just off part of a bike. Nice fishing lure. Like a pillar shaped object stuck to it as well. Oh fuck.
Good morning.
Good morning. You scared the crap out of me. Look who it is. Northwest Magnets just give me the fright of my life then. Stood above that bridge. Ooh, got another fishing lure. Look at that little dude. I'll show all these when it gets a bit lighter as well. Slipping. Ah! Yeah. Okay. Bin bag. It's all tied up. My battery just died, so I just had to change it. Pulled out a rather large bin bag with stuff in it. Whoa. What? So I've got a paintbrush and a mug that is still intact. I'm gonna have to wash that. It says Good Neighbours mug. It's all like Celtic design on that. I'm gonna give it a wash for you. Ugh. Look at that. That's old, that. It's cracked like old stuff does do. No maker's mark on it, but that's an unusual find. What else is in here? Got some electrical cabling. Some kind of box. That's that. That's a reflector. What is this? Got two of these. I don't know if it's a shoe. It's not a shoe horn. Not a clue. My God, there's loads. It says here, we've got another mug. Give this one a wash. That's like a milk pouring one. It says Gladstone China GPA Co. Made in England. Got this nice design on. I'll take it, I'll do a bit of research on it. Still stuff in here. Some more electrical cable. Some more cables. What's this? Some branch. Ah, got a padlock as well. Got like a C-shaped piece of metal. That's it on that. And then we've got stuff on that actual magnet as well. Never seen that before. And then we've got a little bit of what looks like part of an old lock or a big posh hinge. That's still in working order, that. It's a bit of an unusual mix, that. Hello. You want to see what I've just pulled out of this bag?
can't get through, someone dumped all their rubbish on it.
Ugh. That looks like part of the old fence, maybe off the bridge. That's well heavy, that. I keep finding these. I don't know what they are. Not a clue. I thought it'd be bitterly cold this morning, but it's not that bad really, is it?
Yeah, I set me alarm for 5 and I woke up again at 5:30. Oh wait, I did.
Yeah.
Quite weird coming down the M60 dark.
I was walking through the woods in complete pitch black. I was like, oh, this is how people die in the movies. Wow, right load of stuff on here. These are old, aren't they? That's off the bridge. Gotta be, Charlie. That's just a big hunk of iron. Very nice. Stuff coming out on every chuck. A bunch of scrap. Some nuts and bolts, part of the old bridge. Got these bucket handles, I presume. He's finding stuff. Cool. Whatever this is, just took some shifting from all the way over the opposite end. Part of the old bridge. Must have been a hail colour. Oh my god, that's well heavy. You can see all the fittings and fixtures where they go. Oh god. Ooh, what's this? It says Disney Princess on it. Made in China, 2010. Looks like it's got speakers on the back. Maybe it's a pretend mobile phone. Don't know. I've got one of them. I think that's a railway piece. The real taste of India. Oh my god. I put that tape on last night, now look at it. Yeah? I do not know. Ugh. It doesn't want to come up. Ugh. I'm not stuck, it's just killing me. I might have to let that one go. Although there is bubbles coming up. I mean, luckily it's only wrapped around my magnet, but there's something heavy attached on the bottom of there.
Fucking bike.
Ooh.
I don't know if it's a motorbike, they've got loads and loads of oil.
I only just taped this up last night and now look at it. Ooh. Oh, hands are slipping.
What the? Can't even see what
It lifted up, so I felt it sink back down. Yeah, I can feel that.
I bet you got a bike as well.
Oh.
That's what he's trying to grab. I went, Andy, I can't lift the fuck.
Ugh. I think probably wrap a grab around that.
Yeah.
It might come out. I'll leave the cable there, we'll come back to it in a bit. Whew. Oh my god. What's this magnet? What strength? Can't believe you've got a motorbike. Okay, that's not gonna work. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's this bit here. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. It's jamming underneath.
It's very dirty though. 1, 2, 3. It's catching on the lip, isn't it? There we go. Thank you.
Thank you very much, motorbike.
Thank you. Wow. God. Nice. Look at this, found by Northwest Magnets.
God.
Is that a brand there? It's a Honda. Honda something or other.
Jesus.
Well done. Gonna have to retape that magnet up. Only did it last night. We've got another scaff clamp. Not sure what that is. That's a little stud from the old bridge. Got a fishing lure, 5p, and some metal piece. £6p, a fence pin. That is one very old screwdriver. If it is a screwdriver. Look at that. I've got a bit of a razor or something there as well. Would definitely recommend people get a sharp spin. They don't cost that much. It's for when you find like needles and stuff like that. Needles, fish hooks, razors, stuff like that. Got part of a golf club. There is a golf club just over the other side of the canal. Big lump of scaffolding.
Is that the magnet or something you found?
That's a bit of scaffolding, that.
Oh, yeah, it's close.
That's the magnet there.
That's a bad one.
Yeah, it does the job.
16 quid for one about that big.
Nice little wiggly one. That's part of the original bridge. Spiked at both ends. That'd be alright for doing a bit of electrolysis as being the conductor with the manual 12-volt car battery.
God, how long's it been in there?
God knows.
There was one like that.
You can ride it if you want.
What are you going to do with it?
Scrapper's gonna come.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That is my first black shotgun cartridge. That is mental. I've had two today, one red, one black. Awesome. I'm gonna leave my magnet in that exact spot. Look at that. It did have some wood inside it. I don't know what that is. Looks like it's like an oar from a rowing boat or something. Ugh. Ugh. Road sign. Oh, that took some effort, that. Got road sign, that second one, right front middle at canal. If that was a lock key, that would be the cutest lock key ever. Is it a lock key? Nah, I don't think it is. Got a mooring peg or something. Mooring pin. Ugh. Wow, weighs a fair bit, that. Something big down there. There we go. That massive bang. Oh my god, it's a sign. Oh my god, it's one from my old employer. Oh my god. Greater Manchester Fire and Rescue Service. The ice is cold. The ice is cold, but the freezing water will feel much colder. I didn't actually know that the fire service did these plastic signs. It's always the posters that we've been putting up. That's mental. It's a good nick though. Ugh. Oh my god, I just got covered in sludge. As if. I'm well impressed with that. Might even return it to him. What this is and why it's been taped up. The tape on the handle and that, no idea. This is a nice hunk of metal I've just pulled out. Not sure what it would have been for. May be able to repurpose that. Don't know if I still got it or not. Getting very clayey around there. Two shotgun shells. That's it. Really? Yeah. Have I shown you them already?
No.
No. There's been a lot of people stopping and talking today. I'll show you.
This is what you do. You throw them first, and then you catch them and like, yeah, good. You want to see it?
So these ones have been fired, otherwise they'd be all crimped up at the edges.
Yeah.
A red and a black one. We was in Burnley the other week, found some NATO ammunition and some black ones of these that were actually sealed. So
I just want...
yeah, guess what? I just realised what that yellow flag is. Look what's in the distance. It's a golf course hole flag. I'm starting to get tired now. I almost lost the Evo, the Evolution, about 3/4 of the way in. So I was doing that technique where you wrap the rope behind you around your hips and you lean back on it. It was not working, and because I bought the wrong rope, I got dynamic rope on the Evolution. It was just stretching, so I just had to try every angle and then it just popped off. So yay! I didn't lose my magnet. What is this? I think that was attached to it. Just come off. It's a cast iron lump as well. Cast iron lump. Whatever that is. And then another one of those spikes. Not sure what that would have been. It's weighty. Not sure what that is. And then we've got another one of these. Those are proper mooring pins. I'll clean them up and give them to a passing boater. They've all been stuck in the locks for about 2 weeks straight now, so they're glad to be moving on now. That's a tool that. It's got like a axe head on one side, hammer on the other. That's well cool. Try and get a date on that somehow. So it's Wigan Observer and
Wigan Online.
Wigan Online. Right, so it's clean up time. Got a keeps bucket. This is general waste. Got scrap. Some road signs. GMFRS fire service water safety sign. I've had loads of these bars out today. That is cast iron, and it is actually part of the bridge underneath where the beams are. And that flag is from the golf course, which is just across the way. So someone's obviously been struggling to get the hole in one, and they've decided, the flag's going in the canal. They chucked it. So yeah, there is quite an amount for the scrappers to cash in on. Got some quite heavy pieces. Ancient screwdriver or tool, I don't know what it is. Scaff clamps. Pulled plenty of those out today. Plenty of batteries. Got some more as well, various brands. So there's one bag to go in the cordoned off area. I can start on the road signs going up to the scrap pile.
Going off road, Charlie.
Bread, ham, bit of a golf stick. We got a little bit of bling. Dog chain, lead. Various bits of metal. Very odd shapes. Big hunks of iron. That's off the original bridge. Scaff clamps. After scaff clamps. After scaff clamps. There's loads. So PS Hall is going to make a lot of money, hopefully. That's off a bike. Got the Disney Princess toy. Don't know what it is. Maybe a mobile phone. It's got speakers. Small scaff clamps. I got a bunch of electrical wire. All in a bag that had some mugs in. There's absolutely loads of stuff. Found a lot of fishing stuff today as well. I've definitely pulled a muscle in my left shoulder at the front. This is a bit peculiar. Don't know what it is. It just looks like soldered metal to me, but I don't know. I'll take it anyway because I want to find out what it is. few of the old stud things off the bridges. Right, so this is scrap done. Got a note there saying that the scrap collection is going to happen tomorrow. PS all. We've got the motorbike, bags of scrap, loads of bars, various things, including a golf flag. Fair dues. Pulled out this enormous GMFRS fire safety, water safety sign. I have asked them if they want it sorted. That was a massive help, that trolley. Love it. So a bit of an outro. It's been a really good day today, and the location is stunning. So I'm gonna actually come up here and go for some walks. It's pretty local, so I'll come check it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.